So guys, the next generation smartphone Huawei Nova 4 was just leaked in a set of photos showing both front and back side of the device. So this device was teased on 3rd of December by Huawei's official Weibo account, and now it's time to see some in-hand leaks. So guys, this could be our first hands-on look at the Huawei Nova 4 smartphone. So it seems that the circular cutout hole will a go-on solution for some companies who are looking to shrink the top bezels of their smartphones. So Huawei seems to be one of these companies. A week after their teaser image hit the web, these 5 leaked hands-on images of the Huawei Nova 4 are circulating around the Android community. So the images shows a device with a very small bezels, a camera cutout in the top left corner, 3 rear cameras and a rear mounted fingerprint sensor. If we talk about the rear side of this device, it looks very similar to the Huawei P20 Pro except the rear mounted fingerprint sensor. If we talk about the front side, the display is an LCD, which means it will not be too bright, but it looks pretty damn good. So the Huawei Nova 4 smartphone is expected in early 2019, and this smartphone will have a 6.4-inch display with 1440 by 2880 pixels, which are covered by Gorilla Glass 6. Also today we got our first official video teaser of the Huawei Nova 4 showing a phone cleverly masked in a sky full of stars. So the Nova 4 has taken some visual cues from the Huawei P20 Pro, especially the rear mounted triple lens array. The front of the Nova 4 is more impressive with nearly bezel-less display with a small cutout for the selfie camera. If we talk about the bezels, the upper side of the smartphone doesn't have any bezels, and if we talk about the bottom side, there is a very small chain at the bottom. And guys, one thing more, there is a competition among makers who will launch the first smartphone with a punch hole camera in the display. Lenovo will unveil the Z5s tomorrow. Samsung has scheduled an event for December 10 to unveil the Samsung Galaxy A8s. Anyway, the Huawei Nova 4 is expected to come with a flagship Kirin 980 chipset with 6 or massive 8 GB of RAM. So even if it comes second, it will still have an advantage over the Galaxy A8s smartphone, which is expected to have the Snapdragon 710 processor. So guys, what's your thoughts on this first ever hands-on photos of the Huawei Nova 4 and this teaser video? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.